Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and today we're gonna shoot some perfume bottle, and this is the setup that I have here. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, this is the setup that we have. We have the perfume right here with a glass. You can see it. I have some paper in the back, and the paper in the back is Christmas wrappers. You can use that as a backdrop, a background look. Anyway, what I have here is my Sony A6000, and I'm shooting with my macro lens. That's the only macro lens that I have. I'm sorry, guys. I got a Gold X trigger right here, and I got two flashes. One in the softbox here in the top. You can see shooting down is gonna be good. Okay, we have the other one over here shooting this way, shooting on the background. It's gonna hit here, and it's gonna look the picture very good. This one is a manual. It's 1/16 of a power. The one is 1/32 of a power in the top. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you. I also got a camera remote control. Oh well, yeah. Now the setting I got here. Let me go straight in this picture. Oops, sorry. I changed the setting here, and let me see how that look. And okay, you always got to set up. Make sure everything is nice and level and beautiful and clean. And I am doing that. I don't want to make everything look crazy. Okay. Now, what I have here is. Wait a minute. I was making sure that picture was straight. Now, I'm shooting 160 of a second. F8, you can see there, F8. I don't know, well, you can't see it. I'm sorry, I'm going to show you in a minute. ISO 100 and manual focus, which I'm going to make sure it is on manual focus. And it is manual focus. Okay, now I'm going to bring the camera around, so I'm going to show you what I have here. There you go. That's my setting on the camera. You can see it right there. And you can see, like I said, I'm shooting on manual. I always shoot manual. I like shooting manual. There you go. The setting, the power right here. And the F right here. ISO right here. Manual focus on that too. Now I'm gonna show you how I shoot this. Now you can see that here. I got my flash trigger. I mean my flash. Well, we got a flash trigger right here. Gold X. Here I got my wireless remote control for the camera, and there you go. Beautiful set. Sorry. My mistake, I was hitting the wrong camera to check the back screen view. There you can see in the screen. That's beautiful. Nice. I'm going to take another one. There you go. Nice, beautiful. Here we go. First, I'm going to bring another bottle, to make it look different. Different bottles make different picture of bottle. Perfume. These are my wife's perfume. Don't tell her that I'm playing around with her perfume. She might kill me. If I break one of these, women's. Anyway, oh my God, oh Jesus, oh Lord, I almost died. Jesus, if you find out that I break one of these, boy, I gotta go straight to the store tomorrow and buy one. Well, I don't mind, but anyway, I'm gonna put it right here. Let me see what we're doing right here. That looks good. I'm gonna bring up the camera a little bit. I'm gonna bring it out a little bit and bring this up a little bit. I think that's good. I'm just gonna take another picture. First, manually focus. Sorry, you always gotta manual focus. I manual focus there. Let me see. It is manual focus. Anyway, I take another picture. Let's go. Look at that. Beautiful. I like that. Looks nice. Anyway, okay. The bottle looks like it's looking away from somewhere from this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh boy, I'm struggling with this. Okay, let me see. I gotta see if I... Yeah, it looks like manual focus there. Anyway, I'm gonna shoot another one. There you go. Please take your time, subscribe, comment, please share, put thumbs up. Always, what I'm doing here is simple, brother, simple stuff. I'm just taking it out there, putting it there, practicing. Why not? You always gotta practice because that's how you get better. I'm gonna put this here. I don't know. I'm just putting it for fun. You know, it's not that I have put this here before. How you say? To take pictures. I'm just putting it there just for the heck of it to show you. You can once you got everything set up, everything looks good, and boom, that's a nice picture right there. Nice, I like it. So yeah, like I was saying, you always gotta practice. You always gotta keep up practicing. That way, you learn from your mistake. You know what you're doing wrong. Let me just take it off on manual focus because you know it's gonna be a little hard. I want everything to manual focus, and so you always gotta practice. Learn from your mistake. Learn what you're doing wrong to see how you can improve on your photos. You always want to improve to make sure that everything is good and that everything you do you get better at it. That way you get better at doing what you do. Yes, always practice. I recommend it. So that's all for today. Please take care of yourself. Subscribe, leave your comment. Please learn. If you can learn something from this photo shoot that I did, or this product shoot that I did, good. Please put thumbs up and share. Thank you. I appreciate it. By the way, I'm gonna be doing videos for YouTube, but I'm not gonna be doing it every week like I was doing it. I'm gonna do it once a week. Sorry, but you know, I think some of you appreciate my work or what I do, and this way we can learn together. But yeah, I'm a little bit you know, I don't know, it's a personal reason I want to do it once every 2 weeks. So please, until next time, please take care of yourself. Subscribe, leave your comment.